2012 Aprilia Tuono. No exhaust because I'm about to put on a Black Widow exhaust, short pipe. But since I had a request to know what it sounds like without the exhaust pipe on, I said okay. One thing to note is that you probably can't see it, but the flapper valve is actually open. Somebody before me took off the cable, so it probably doesn't sound very good on camera. I've never done this before with this bike. Let's see what it sounds like. You want them back of the truck?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. What do we have here, bud? We have a Black Widow exhaust. And this is the one with the carbon tip. I've kind of taken everything out of the box and it's kind of a bit of a mess. But it actually came in a really nice box. I'm really impressed with it so far. It looks really good. The carbon actually is real carbon. Now you can tell because there's some imperfections in their carbon. I think there's one right here. Good job. All right, and then I just wanted to kind of do maybe a little bit of a review and kind of tell you what I think. So I just started this without the exhaust on. It's so loud. It's probably above 100 decibel, which is painful to anyone's ear. But I just kind of wanted to do a little bit of a, hey, check this out. I've never heard of Black Widow before, and it was a pretty reasonable price on eBay, so I wanted to you know, again, just do a review. So here we go. Okay, so here's the final product of it. I haven't started it yet, but we're about to. Open door. Open the door. Open. Open. Not that door, the big door. Open big door. Attaboy. Oh look, it's already dark. So that took me about an hour. And you can YouTube other videos on stock exhaust and what it sounds like. Of course, this won't really do much of a justice. All I can do is just kind of tell you about it. So let's hear it. Do you hear a train? Yeah. Okay, so here's my thought on it. It has the baffle in it. It comes with a removable baffle. You can't really see it. Hold on. Train. Okay, you can see that baffle in there. Hey, and it was pretty dang loud with it in. It's pretty much a straight pipe without it. It looks good. It sounds incredible. I'll probably pull that sticker off anyway. What do you think, bud? Is it loud?
Yeah.
Very loud?
No.
No?
No.
I think it's pretty dang loud compared to stock. Yeah, it's a certain. Oh, you see video? Yeah, it's a certain difference. A lot different. It sounds really good, really throaty. I like it. Worth the money. Paid just over 200 quid for it. Ends up being about 275 bucks US. Found it on eBay. I like it. I'll let you know on how it sounds on the writing later on. Bye.